if you forget your Wi-Fi password, or if you want to recover or find your Wi-Fi password, so what we're gonna first do, in your PC, in a search bar, type control panel. As soon as control panel open, click on a view network status and task, which is under network and internet. Then try to find your name of the internet and click on that. As soon as you click, you will get two options, details and wireless property. Click on wireless property. Then you find two options, connection and security. Click on the security, and now it says like show character. Click on that, it will show your Wi-Fi password. Thank you so much. In this video, we will see how to find or recover Wi-Fi password from the Android phone. First of all, click on the setting and find network and internet. Click on that. Now you will get a network and internet. Click on your Wi-Fi, whatever you connected. Now you will get one option, use a Wi-Fi, and in right hand side you can see the gear icon. Click on that one. Then you get two options, forget and share. Click on a share, and you can see that type of scan barcode, and inside like right bottom of that you can find Wi-Fi password. If you find something useful, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can check few courses also. Thank you.